Today we got a big project today. We're going to be rebuilding a truss.
Okay, this is going to fall. Okay, do you want to put some screws in it? No, just, okay.
Hey, how you doing today? Hey, we got an update for the pole barn. You got to check it out. We're going to put something like that in today. Got it?
We'll get you. Okay, this is going to fall. Okay, do you want to put some screws in it?
No, just
Okay. Down. It's too high. Truss that's there?
yeah. I'll just bring it up and over. Okay, that's what we needed. Now I can scribe this and make another board just like it.
Okay. Like that. You want to just go on?
Yep. This is a little bit ridiculous. Okay, so I need to come my way.
Yeah, that looks good.
30 and 7/8. Set it right there. Got it? Can you hold it?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Here. Oh, it'll go right in there.
Okay.
What do you want?
Just screws of some sort. Perfect. Thank you.
The door, a blue one. At it, it's cracked. But they never dated or anything.
Chop that chunk off. All right, there we go. We got the we built the truss in place. It's not the most beautiful thing, but it'll hold. Now we're gonna put a couple big bolts right over there. And we'll be ready to put the 2x4s in, put tin on it, and then tear the old one out. I think it's gonna work just fine. Let's cut this out. Ready?
Wait, let me get.
There we go.
3.5.
You know what I mean? Okay. All right, let's step back from it and just look. We got some bigger ones over there too. Just get one in there. At all.
No.
Here. it's all finished, we built a new truss right there, and then we extended the roof over, so hopefully it doesn't rot anymore. So hey, thanks for watching this